welcome back to my channel for a CVS deals video, and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again. This is the first week for this ad cycle and we have some very good deals going on. Both the CoverGirl mystery offer from last week and the Revlon, those two CRTs extended if you printed yours out or if you send them to card in case you need them for any deal this week. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have in this video is on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two for a total of $9.98. If you still have your 3 off 2 digital coupon, it will double dip with a $2 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.98 and you get 3 back, making both just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is on Crest 3D mouthwash. They're on sale for $5.49 and when you buy one, you get $2 back. Pick up one. We have a $1 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.49 and you get 2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back. That will make it just $1.99. My next deal is buy 2 get $7 back on Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care. Pick up 2 of the Neutrogena facial wipes priced at $7.79 each. And these two will total $15.58. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care CRT. That will take off $6, dropping it down to $9.58 and you get 7 back, making them just $2.58 or $1.29 each. My next deal is buy one get $2 back on any L'Oreal lotion and it's on sale for $13.99. Pick up one. Everybody received a $3 L'Oreal CRT today, but when you look at the CRT, it excludes the lotion. But on the ad, it says we will receive $3 for this product. In case you have yours, this will be your breakdown. After the $3 come off, it will drop it down to $10.99 and you get $2 back, making it just $8.99. My next deal is buy 2 get $5 back on any Revlon cosmetics or beauty tools. Pick up 2 of the Revlon Kiss Balms priced at $6.49 each, and these two will total $12.98. If you added your mystery offer from last week to card, it's extended and it will take off $3, dropping it down to $9.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Another easy deal you can do this week is to pick up the Olay Cleansing Melts. They're on sale for $9.99 and when you buy one, you get $1 back. Pick it up. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.99 and you get $1 back, making it just $6.99. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Chic or Skintimate disposable razors and they're on sale for $6.99. Pick up 2 and both will total $13.98. Use the $3 digital coupon we have. That will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 4 back, making both just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is on Gillette Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they're part of the buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2. They're priced at $3.98 and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. We don't have any coupon for this, so pay the $5.84 and get 3 back, making them just $2.84 or $1.42 each. Select Nivea products are on the deal of buy 2 get 7 back, and I'll show you 2 ways you can do this deal. And the first option is to pick up 2 of the men's shave gel priced at $6.59 each. These two will total $13.18. We don't have any coupon, but if you don't mind paying out of pocket and if you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because they are not on sale. Without the percentage of CRT, pay the $13.18 and get 7 back, making both just $6.18 or $3.09 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Nivea Men Body Wash priced at $6.29 each, and both will total $12.58. Pay the $12.58 and get 7 back, making these two just $5.58 or $2.79 each. If you need Irish Spring body wash, they're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one, you get $2 back. Pick up one. We have a $2 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.99, and you get 2 back, making it just 99 cents. The 20-ounce soft soap body wash are on sale for $2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2. We have a $2 digital coupon, and you can go on their website and print out a 75-cent coupon, and the 2 coupons will take off $2.75, dropping it down to $7.25, and you get 4 back, making them just $3.25 or $1.63 each. Next deal is on Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5, and you get 2 back, making them just $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is on OGX hair care. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $9.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.65. These two will total $13.94. We have 3 off 2 OGX digital coupon and a $1 off OGX hair care product digital coupon. Both will double dip and take off $4, dropping it down to $9.94, and you get 4 back, making these two just $5.94 or $2.97 each. The next hair care deal I have is spend $20 get $10 back on any Shea Moisture hair care defining styling gel priced at $9.99, and these two will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 20. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, but with this coupon sometimes it doesn't attach to this product, so if you're picking this up, scan them to make sure they attach, and also pay attention while checking out to make sure it comes off. Using the 5 off 2, it will drop it down to $14.98, and you get 10 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next hair care deal is on Aussie Hair Care. They are part of the buy 2 get 4 back limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Aussie Defining Oil priced at $6.59, and the Aussie Detangling Deep Conditioner priced at $6.59. These two will total $13.18. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.18, and you get 4 back, making both just $6.18 or $3.09 each. This next hair care deal is not the best, but if you need a filler item or if you like these products, then you can do it. And that will be on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They sell for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, and both will total $9.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal I have is the 6 Mega Roll Total Home Bar Tissue. They're on sale for $7.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one, pay the $7.99, and you get 3 back, making it just $4.99. Another way you can do this deal, if you have the 2 of 10 Total Home CRT, is to pick up the facial tissue priced at $2.49, and the new total will be $10.48. That way you can use the 2 of 10. After the 2 of 10 come off, it will drop it down to $8.48, and you get 3 back, making them just $5.48 or $2.74 each. The next deal I have is on the 150-ounce Purex detergent. They're on sale for $8.99, and when you buy one, you get $5 back. Pick up one, pay the $8.99, and you get 5 back, making it just $3.99. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back, and I have 3 options, but this deal is a limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Gain detergent on sale for $15.99, and also pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. These two will total $30.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the gain, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the tide. That will take off 6, dropping it down to $24.98, and you get 10 back, making these two just $14.98 or $7.49 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 Ensure, priced at $12.99 each, and 2 Kleenex box on sale for 2 for $4. These 4 items will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. If you have the 7 off 2 Ensure coupon, and this coupon is from the 10-6 savings set, use $1 off Kleenex digital coupon. These 2 coupons will take off $8, dropping it down to $21.98, and you get 10 back, making them just $11.98 or $3 each. I got this PNG flyer in the mail last week, and that will help with my third option. Pick up the Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99 and the Bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99. Add the Downy rinse and refresh on sale for $6.99 and the Tide detergent on sale for $6.99. The last 2 items to complete this deal will be the Kleenex on sale for 2 for $4. All these items will total $31.96. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Tide, another $1 digital coupon for the Kleenex, a $1 paper coupon for the Downy fabric softener, and a $1 paper coupon for the Bounce, and another $1 coupon for the rinse and refresh. That will take off $5, dropping it down to $26.96, and you get 10 back, making them just $16.96 or $2.83 each. The next deal I have is buy one get $1 back on General Mills cereal, and they're on sale for $2.99. The best way to do this deal is to pick up 2 boxes, and both will total $5.98. We have 2 $1 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $2, dropping it down to $3.98, and you get $1 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box, and that will make both boxes just $1.98 or 99 cents each. My next deal is buy 2 get $2 back, and the Honey Maid is part of this deal. And this deal also includes the Oreo or Chips Ahoy, the family size, so you can pick whichever one you like. They're on sale for $4.49 each. Pick up 2. Both will total $8.98. Pay the $8.98 and get $2 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. I hope it's helpful, and thank you all for watching and all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.